Today, I'm going to talk about how to use the SEELab Internet of Things cloud. So the Internet of Things basically means that your electronic devices can talk to each other through the internet. So how do we use this on this particular device? So here, first of all, to access the map that you see here, go to the top right menu, XPICE Cloud and Sensor Map. So this map is where all your little users who are transmitting geotagged sensor data will be shown. So right now I've just deleted all users for this demo. Now, how do you transmit information? So go to visual coding, and under that you have a section called Internet of Things. And here the first two examples are to exchange data with each other. The third is to transmit to this map that you see here. And it's a shared map, anyone can transmit. So first of all, you need GPS permissions. You need to connect to the server, make sure you edit your name and put whatever your name is here. And then I want to continuously send data in intervals of, let's say, 1 second. Or let's say I'll reduce that to make it maybe half a second. So one reading every half second. I'll measure the phone's luminosity readings. So there is a light sensor next to the front camera, which will measure it and store it in this variable that I'm calling H. Now this particular block will transmit to this channel envmon/in with the sensor name set as phone, the parameter set as lux, which is luminosity, the value. So here you can have any value. You can use your SEELab to measure voltage readings. You can have different sensors reading pressure, temperature, humidity, whatever. Then latitude and longitude is measured by the GPS. And I'm also locally plotting the information that I'm relaying. So I know that the readings are okay. And I'm also showing the latitude in a small label. That's because when you start running this program, if you are indoors or in a sheltered location, the GPS may take time to catch a signal. So it'll be 0. So you know that you're not transmitting the correct coordinates, and you'll know when you start transmitting correct coordinates. So let's run this program and see what it looks like on the map. So now that I'm running this, we can see the plot appearing, and you can see that on the map, Jitin phone has appeared. You see, with the luminosity readings that are on the phone. And if I want to, for example, see the plot itself, I can mouse over, and there I have the plot appearing in real time. So if I just cover this, so see that the information being relayed by my phone is being transmitted to the cloud. And clicking these buttons will take you to the coordinates of each sensor. So I'm here, let's say I zoom out and go to some other location and I want to quickly come back to this, zoom in on this sensor. I can just click the button and there you are. And mouse over to view the latest readings from that button. So this makes it very easy to have coordinated data collection for various scientific measurements, etc. So I hope you will find this feature particularly interesting. Thank you.